Hello, Adam Rayner, Slingshot World TV. Today I was going to do an unboxing video, but I just couldn't wait. I just ripped the carton open, and well, there's me flat plan. There's the new logos I'm selecting. There is one part I can still open. I've had a delivery from Armex, and well, I don't know if you're a fan of Toy Story, the movie, but in the first movie there's a kid called Sid. He ends up driving a dump truck in Toy Story 3, but Armex have a product, brand new, pop, called the Barrage board. Now, the link to Toy Story is that Sid, who's the creative one, who takes toys apart and makes them into other things at the house next door, but is known as a toy murderer, gets this terrifying sort of rocket, and he's going to blow it, well, use it to blow a G.I. Joe all to pieces. And there's some warnings on it, and he reads it. And the warnings on this remind me of this, because they're percussive caps. It's not just an exploding piffly zone that you hit anywhere on it and boom, off it goes. No, you've got to thwack that right in the middle of the target for them to go off. So it says www.armex.co.uk, and then it says, warning, minimum safe distance 10 yards for pistols, 20 yards for rifles. Use safety goggles or eye protection. Do not use indoors or near the combustible materials. Not reusable. 1.4S explosive device. Produces flash and bang. Paper target may scorch or combust. Do not dispose of in fire. Keep away from animals and children. To which Sid said, cool. I cannot tell you how much I'm looking forward to setting Slingshot STIG onto these